Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to add watermarks on your Canva design. So let's start. So the first one, it's try to do it with a text. So in the left side you will appear a menu. So let's go to text and then let's go to a heading. Here you can write something, for example your mark, it's tutorials, and then you can change the letter or the color. In this case I will put white color here. I think it's better for it, so let's write right. Okay, now it is white. Now you can move the name here. Let me put here and let me move it, and then let's go to this menu here, and then let's go to transparency here, just down it, and now you can do it bigger if you prefer, and then let's go to again select it and then duplicate it, and now you can put as many as you want, and in this case you can duplicate and you can create your watermark. Other thing that you can do it is go to elements, for example, and let's add a logo. In this case I will add this logo here, and this is a video, so let me try to another thing. For example, I will add this one. Okay, now if you want to use this as watermark, just go to transparency again and just show it. Okay, and this will appear as watermark as well. So guys, that's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.